Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome to our channel, Food with Us. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a whole new recipe today, and that is going to be barbecue ribs. So I'm gonna start off by showing you all the ingredients you are going to need. And the first ingredient I have here is peppercorn medley, which you can use black pepper if you like, but I'm going to use peppercorn today. Just give that unique flavor. And then we have ground coriander. And then we have Kinder's rub brown sugar. You can use any rub you like, but this rub is so good, and it's not like spicy. It's super sweet and savory all at the same time. So definitely give this one a try if you haven't. And then I also have my famous Goya adobo, all-purpose seasoning. I have some parsley flakes. And feel free to use fresh parsley if you like. And then I have my Dominican oregano. So as you have seen in my last videos, I use a lot of Dominican oregano, but you can use any oregano. And then I have my classic olive oil. And then I have a half a lime, which we're going to squeeze right in there. 2 cloves of garlic. And then last but not least, I'm going to be using honey barbecue sauce, the Great Value brand. You can use Kraft. Definitely recommend trying that. Alright guys, so let's get started. We're actually going to go ahead and mix now and get our meat prepped. So we're going to go ahead and add our parsley flakes. And for parsley, we're going to go ahead and do a half a teaspoon of parsley. Then we're going to add our Dominican oregano, or any oregano you have. And we're going to do half a teaspoon as well. Then we're going to come and add our adobo. For the adobo, we're going to do 1 full teaspoon. Then we're going to add our ground coriander. So we're going to put half a teaspoon of ground coriander. And then we're going to add our peppercorn medley, or your black ground pepper. And for this, we're just going to go ahead and do about 2-3 turns. I'll give another turn for good measure. Alright, and now we're going to go ahead and add our half a lime. And then we're going to go ahead and add our Kinder's rub, the brown sugar one. And we're going to do 1 teaspoon of the brown sugar. Alright, so now we're going to add our last thing, which is the classic olive oil. And we're going to do 1 teaspoon of that as well. So as you can see, guys, I have my gloves on and I am ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and start seasoning up these ribs. So first thing I'm gonna do is mix all of my seasoning up. And make sure you mix it well, guys, so you get all those amazing flavors on each piece of rib. So I have my seasonings ready, and I'm going to go ahead and pour that in there. And don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Well, let's say, you know, our gloves. But get in there and mix that seasoning all in that meat. You want to keep going until everything is covered. So everything is covered and it's looking so incredibly juicy. So we're gonna actually go ahead and let this marinate for about an hour, and then I'll be right back with you guys once this is ready to be put in the oven. See you soon. So I'm back, guys, and I have been letting my meat marinate for an hour, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the pan now so that it can be ready to go in the oven. And we're gonna preheat that oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're actually gonna let these cook for an hour. So my meat is all ready, and I'm gonna go ahead and pop it in the oven for the hour, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pop that out and put the barbecue sauce on there. So I'll be back in an hour, guys. Hey everyone, so we are back. These ribs have been cooking for an hour now, and I'm gonna go ahead and smother it with that barbecue sauce. And you can put however amount you want to put on this. This looks amazing. What do you think, guys? Let me know. Leave a comment. So, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and place these in the oven for 15 minutes more, and then they'll be ready to go, and then I will be able to show you guys the finishing work. Hey guys, we are back. So I took these bad boys out. It's been 15 minutes, and just look at these. Like, they are so scrumptious looking. I cannot wait to eat. So yeah, guys, I just want to say thank you for watching us again, and definitely like, subscribe, share, and comment for sure, because I want to hear something back from someone, anything, even a question. I actually put a question down for you guys to answer for me. Well, I'll see you next time. I'm definitely going to be posting real soon, so stay tuned. Bye, guys.